The team backlog, or as it's also known, the sprint backlog, is another one of the Scrum artifacts. The team backlog simply represents all the work items the team is committing to getting done in this sprint. The sprint or team backlog is built during the sprint planning ceremony at the beginning of each sprint. This is where the team works with the product owner to start pulling ready work items from the product backlog into the team backlog. And the team will continue to pull work from that product backlog that's ready until pulling more work in or any other work in puts making a commitment to the product owner at risk. Then the team will start pulling their work for that sprint from their team backlog, start doing the work that's necessary to transform one of those ready items into something that's done and can be accepted by the product owner to create the consumable increment. Then it's rinse and repeat. We cycle through that again. Scrum is an iterative software development methodology. We take the knowledge that we gained at the end of the sprint, come back to the sprint planning session, and repeat the process over and over again. Now, the team backlog is owned by the team. Compare this to the idea that the product backlog is owned by the product owner. What ownership means here is that the team gets to decide how big their bucket is. And this is a metaphor that I frequently use for representing the team backlog. It's that it's a bucket. And the team during the sprint planning session gets to declare how big that is and then pull work from the product backlog into it. It's limited. In other words, putting too much work into the bucket and it simply overflows. So the sprint backlog or the team backlog is a means of the team being able to manage their commitment to the product owner and explicitly tell them, yes, this is the work that we're going to be committing to in this sprint.